Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just kind of drew up a little mock-up. The way some graphic designers design stuff like this, they will have a white fill, and if we take a rectangle, so it looks good and that would print good, but for us laser engravings, we need to sometimes get rid of that white. So I'm going to put the yellow page in the background, and you see that white. Now, if we select the white, you can see it looks like a big object, and it is. It's a circle behind there. That's the way they hide those lines. So the best way to get rid of those lines is to delete these lines. But it's kind of hard to see them. So you can take your virtual segment delete key and you can delete that line, but it stops like at that X and looks terrible. You can delete it a little bit further, but it's still hanging over. So let's delete that line and delete that line. So the way I get rid of that, so this would look bad. I mean, you could delete that, but you still got these little edges. And also, since you've deleted this thing, you can look, and if, let me just back up here. Maybe I deleted too much. Let me cut it right here. Now, let's say you couldn't see that. Well, if you get your shape tool, pick on that line, you can see, well, should have cut it up there, but you can see the line of it, and this isn't a good representation. A lot of times there'll be lines in the middle of stuff. And this might be a good example. Let's do there. Here we go. And let's say you couldn't actually see that, but if you hit it with your shape tool, you can see that those two nodes. So you can select those two nodes and hit delete. Now, to make this look better, what I would do is this is a outline. It's a line that's 1/4 of an inch. We're going to take that line and go to object, and we're going to convert the outline to an object. And what that did, they gave us 4 nodes or 2 nodes on each edge. And we can just move that line down and just kind of stay in that realm. Now, it doesn't matter if these are black on black, because that's going to all engrave the same. As long as you don't move the line too much, you're way ahead of the game, and you can move it and kind of see how you can go back to the original line. And here you just want to go back and stay on that line, and that's really all you have to do. And then that will engrave perfectly. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody a little bit. Thank you for watching.